Nestled in the southernmost corner of Assam, bordering the scenic Bangladesh, lies the serene town of Karimganj. This often overlooked destination is a treasure trove of natural beauty, cultural wonders, and historical significance. From the meandering Barak River to the rolling hills of the Khasi and Jaintia ranges, Karimganj offers a unique blend of tranquility and adventure. The town serves as the district headquarters and is a vibrant hub of activity. Karimganj is renowned for its lush tea gardens, a legacy of its colonial past, which continue to paint the landscape with shades of emerald green. Visitors to Karimganj are greeted by the warmth of its people, known for their hospitality and rich cultural heritage. Karimganj promises an enriching experience for every traveler. Whether you seek solace in nature, delve into history, or immerse yourself in local traditions, this hidden gem of Assam has something for everyone. Come discover the magic of Karimganj. The Barak River is the soul of Karimganj. This majestic river, with its winding course and serene waters, has been a vital part of the town's history and culture for generations. It is not just a geographical feature, but a living, breathing entity that has shaped the lives of the people who reside along its banks. It snakes through the heart of the town, weaving its way through the landscape like a silver thread. The river's path is a testament to the natural beauty and the intricate balance of the ecosystem that thrives around it. Its waters, reflecting the sky and the surrounding greenery, create a mesmerizing tableau that changes with the seasons. In the early morning light, the river shimmers with a golden hue, while at dusk it takes on a deep, reflective calm. The river is not just a scenic delight, it is a vital artery that sustains the region. The lush landscapes that flank the river are a testament to its life-giving properties. It is the lifeline of the region. The Barak River supports a myriad of activities, from agriculture to fishing and even transportation. The river is a bustling hub of activity, with boats ferrying goods and people across its waters. Its fertile banks have sustained life for centuries, providing sustenance and livelihoods to the people. The rich alluvial soil deposited by the river makes the surrounding land incredibly fertile, perfect for growing a variety of crops, providing sustenance and livelihoods to the people. The river's bounty is evident in the thriving agricultural practices and the abundance of fish that it supports. A boat ride on the Barak is a must-do activity in Karimganj. As you embark on this journey, you are not just taking a ride, you are experiencing a slice of life that has remained unchanged for generations. As you glide along the tranquil waters, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, the stories of the people who have lived and thrived along these banks. You'll be treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes, the lush green hills, the swaying paddy fields, and the vibrant flora create a picturesque scene that is both calming and invigorating. And the quaint villages on the riverbanks create a picture of idyllic beauty. These villages, with their traditional houses and simple way of life, offer a glimpse into a world that is far removed from the hustle and bustle of modern life. For those seeking a more adventurous experience, the Barak River offers ample opportunities for fishing. The thrill of casting a line into the river and waiting for a bite is an experience that is both exciting and meditative. The Barak River offers ample opportunities for fishing. The river teems with a variety of fish species, making it a paradise for anglers. The river teems with a variety of fish species, from the common carp to the elusive catfish, making it a paradise for anglers. Each catch is a testament to the river's rich biodiversity, making it a paradise for anglers. Imagine casting your line into the clear waters, the gentle breeze whispering through the trees as you wait for the thrill of a catch. Imagine casting your line into the clear waters, the gentle breeze whispering through the trees as you wait for the thrill of a catch. The anticipation builds with each passing moment, making the eventual catch all the more rewarding. The gentle breeze whispering through the trees as you wait for the thrill of a catch. The river's serene environment provides the perfect backdrop for this timeless activity as you wait for the thrill of a catch. The Barak River is more than just a body of water, it is the heart and soul of Karimganj. The Barak River is more than just a body of water, it is the heart and soul of Karimganj. It is a source of life, a means of transportation, and an endless source of inspiration for poets and artists. It is the heart and soul of Karimganj. It is a source of life, a means of transportation, and an endless source of inspiration for poets and artists. It is a source of life, a means of transportation, and an endless source of inspiration for poets and artists. The river's beauty and bounty continue to draw visitors and locals alike, offering them a chance to connect with nature and experience the rhythm of life in this enchanting corner of Assam, and an endless source of inspiration for poets and artists. Its beauty and bounty continue to draw visitors and locals alike, offering them a chance to connect with nature and experience the rhythm of life in this enchanting corner of Assam. Its beauty and bounty continue to draw visitors and locals alike, offering them a chance to connect with nature and experience the rhythm of life in this enchanting corner of Assam. The Barak River, with its timeless charm and vital presence, remains an integral part of Karimganj's identity, offering them a chance to connect with nature and experience the rhythm of life in this enchanting corner of Assam. The Barak River, with its timeless charm and vital presence, remains an integral part of Karimganj's identity, and experience the rhythm of life in this enchanting corner of Assam. The Barak River, with its timeless charm and vital presence, remains an integral part of Karimganj's identity. Encircling Karimganj are the majestic hills of the Khasi and Jaintia ranges. These ranges, with their towering peaks and lush valleys, form a natural fortress around the region, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and serene. The hills are a testament to the Earth's ancient past, their rugged formations telling stories of geological upheavals and the relentless passage of time. These ancient hills are not mere geographical formations, they are the silent witnesses to the history of this land. Each rock and crevice holds secrets of the past, from the time when the Earth was young and restless. They are living, breathing entities that hold within their folds stories whispered through time. The mist that often envelops these hills adds to their mystique, creating an ethereal atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. The hills, cloaked in emerald green, rise dramatically from the plains, their slopes covered in dense forests that teem with life. The vibrant greenery is a stark contrast to the often harsh and rugged terrain, creating a visual feast for the eyes. Their peaks often shrouded in mist, lending an air of mystery and allure. The mist moves like a living entity, wrapping around the hills and valleys, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The hills are home to a rich biodiversity. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the Khasi and Jaintia ranges are a sanctuary for countless species. The flora and fauna here have adapted to the unique conditions of the hills, creating a delicate and intricate ecosystem. Dense forests, teeming with life, cover the slopes. These forests are a haven for nature lovers and researchers alike, offering a glimpse into the complex web of life that thrives here. Here, ancient trees stand tall, their branches reaching towards the sky as if trying to touch the heavens. These trees have stood the test of time, their gnarled trunks and sprawling branches a testament to their resilience. As if trying to touch the heavens, these trees create a canopy that shelters the forest floor, providing a habitat for countless species of plants and animals. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, the chirping of crickets, the calls of exotic birds, and the rustling of leaves as animals move through the undergrowth. These sounds create a symphony that is both soothing and invigorating. The calls of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves as animals move through the undergrowth add to the sense of being in a living, breathing ecosystem. Every sound is a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives in these hills. Trekking through these hills is an experience that will awaken your senses and rejuvenate your soul. The trails wind through dense forests, across bubbling streams, and up steep slopes, offering a challenging yet rewarding adventure. As you ascend the winding paths, you'll be greeted by breathtaking vistas at every turn. The higher you climb, the more expansive the views become, revealing the true grandeur of the Khasi and Jaintia ranges. Waterfalls cascade down the rocky slopes, their roar echoing through the valleys, a testament to the raw power of nature. These waterfalls are not just a visual spectacle, they are a source of life for the flora and fauna that depend on the water they provide. The roar of the waterfalls echoing through the valleys is a constant reminder of the untamed beauty of these hills. The water, carving its way through the rocks, shapes the landscape and sustains the life that thrives here. These hills are also home to the indigenous Khasi and Jaintia tribes, who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Their way of life is deeply connected to the land, and they have a profound respect for the natural world. The Khasi and Jaintia tribes have developed unique cultural practices that are closely tied to the forests and hills. Their knowledge of the land and its resources is unparalleled, and they've managed to preserve their traditions in the face of modern challenges. Their unique culture and traditions are deeply intertwined with the forests and hills, adding another layer of fascination to this already enchanting landscape. The rituals, festivals, and daily practices of these tribes are a testament to their deep connection with nature. The Khasi and Jaintia ranges are not just a geographical feature, they are a living, breathing entity that holds within its folds the essence of life, history and culture. This enchanting landscape, with its rich biodiversity and vibrant cultural heritage, is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Section 4. Verdant Landscapes, Tea Gardens of Karimganj. The landscape of Karimganj is painted with the vibrant green hues of tea gardens. These gardens are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a significant part of the region's cultural and economic fabric. The tea gardens stretch across vast expanses, creating a lush green carpet that is both breathtaking and serene. The sight of these gardens is a testament to the natural beauty and agricultural prowess of the region. These meticulously manicured estates are a testament to the region's colonial past and are an integral part of its identity. The architecture of the tea estates, with their colonial-era bungalows and well-planned layouts, tells a story of a bygone era. Walking through these estates is like stepping back in time, where every corner has a tale to tell. Rows upon rows of tea bushes stretch as far as the eye can see, their leaves glistening in the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The symmetry and order of the tea bushes are a sight to behold, and the vibrant green leaves create a stunning contrast against the blue sky. It's a visual symphony that captures the essence of nature's beauty. The tea gardens of Karimganj are not just picturesque, they are the lifeblood of the local economy. The tea industry provides employment to thousands of people in the region, from tea pluckers to factory workers. The economic impact of the tea gardens extends beyond the estates, supporting local businesses and contributing to the overall development of the area. Generations of tea pluckers have carefully harvested the delicate leaves, their rhythmic movements a symphony of human effort in harmony with nature. The skill and precision required to pluck the tea leaves without damaging them is a testament to the expertise of the workers. Their dedication and hard work ensure that only the finest leaves make it to the processing factories. The aroma of freshly plucked tea leaves fills the air, a sensory experience that is both invigorating and soothing. The scent of the leaves is a reminder of the freshness and quality of the tea produced in Karimganj. It's an experience that engages all the senses, making a visit to the tea gardens truly unforgettable. Visiting a tea garden is a must-do in Karimganj. The gardens offer a unique opportunity to witness the tea-making process firsthand and to learn about the history and culture of the region. Walking through the tea estates, visitors can enjoy the serene beauty of the gardens and gain a deeper appreciation for the hard work that goes into producing each cup of tea. Take a stroll through the sprawling estates, learn about the intricate process of tea production, from plucking to processing. The journey of the tea leaves from the garden to the cup is a fascinating one, involving multiple steps and a lot of care. Visitors can see the entire process, from the initial plucking of the leaves to their processing in the factories, and understand the effort that goes into making the perfect cup of tea. Witness firsthand the artistry and skill involved in crafting the perfect cup of tea. The tea artisans of Karimganj are masters of their craft, using traditional methods passed down through generations. Their expertise ensures that each batch of tea is of the highest quality, with a flavor and aroma that is unmatched. Many tea estates offer accommodation and tours, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the serene ambience of plantation life. Staying at a tea estate is a unique experience, offering a chance to relax and unwind in the midst of nature. The tours provide an in-depth look at the daily operations of the tea gardens and offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who work there. Enjoy the peace and tranquility of these verdant landscapes. Sip on a cup of freshly brewed tea and savor the flavors of Karimganj. The tea gardens are a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, offering a chance to reconnect with nature and experience the simple pleasures of life. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or just looking for a peaceful retreat, the tea gardens of Karimganj are sure to leave a lasting impression. Section 5. A biodiversity hotspot, flora and fauna of the region. Karimganj is a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. The region's diverse ecosystems, from the riverine grasslands to the dense forest, support a rich variety of flora and fauna. It is a true biodiversity hotspot waiting to be explored. The forests of Karimganj are home to a plethora of mammals, including elephants, tigers, leopards and deer. The elusive clouded leopard, a rare and beautiful creature, is also found in these forests. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the avian diversity, with over 200 species of birds recorded in the area. Keep an eye out for the vibrant hornbills, their distinctive calls echoing through the trees. The rivers and wetlands of Karimganj are home to a variety of aquatic life. including the endangered Ganges river dolphin. The sight of these majestic creatures gliding through the water is a memory to be cherished. The flora of Karimganj is just as impressive. The forests are home to a variety of medicinal plants, orchids and bamboo groves. The air is thick with the scent of wildflowers, adding to the sensory experience of exploring this natural paradise.